Okay, so in the last class we already started with our exercise 3.3 and we did solve our first question number 1, right? So today we will be starting with our question number 2. Alright, so in question 2, the question 2 says plot the points xy given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Correct? Yes. So here what we are asked to do here is that we are asked to plot the points of xy that is given as minus 2 8 x minus 2 y 8 minus 1 7 0 minus 1.25 3 1 3 3 minus 1, right? So we are asked to plot these points of xy on a Cartesian plane, that is a coordinate plane or the xy plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Alright, so our solution here will be, how do we plot these points? That is, first we will draw a Cartesian plane or the xy plane of x and y axis. Is it okay? Yes. Is it okay? So this is our xy axis. Any doubt? No, right? So I'm going to put an arrow mark on each ends. Alright, the horizontal line is the x-axis, so this will be x dash. The vertical lines are the y-axis, so y dash. Is it okay? So the question says choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to take 1 unit. Alright, 1 centimeter for 1 units. Is it okay? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. On all sides I'm going to choose 8 each. Is it okay? Here it may not be possible, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Is that okay? And even on this side I'm going to go up to 8. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Even on along x dash also I'm going to go up to 8. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is it okay? So now what I'm doing here is I'm taking 1 centimeter as 1 unit. Is it okay? Is it visible? Yes. Yes. So let me take this as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Alright, along x dash it will be negative, so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Is it okay? Now along y it will be positive again, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Is it okay? Along y dash it will be negative again, so minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7 minus 8. Alright, so you see here, alright, a good a good number of teachers would encourage you to do it on the graph, all right? But for this particular chapter, I don't recommend you to do it on the graph, all right? Rather, I would want you to draw a Cartesian plane, all right, like what I'm doing here, okay, and learn how to draw a Cartesian plane, at the same time plot them. Is it okay? So now let's plot the value when x is minus 2, y is 8. Now this plotting is not only important for chapter 3, but it is equally important for chapter 8, chapter 4, because in chapter 4 we are going to discuss about a linear equation in two variables. Alright, so for two variables we will be calculating the value of x, y and plotting them. Alright, so this is more or less like it. Alright, with the clear and thorough concept of this plotting, even chapter 4 will be quite easy for you. Is it okay? So now taking a look at here, is it okay? What we have here is that the value of x is minus 2 is here, and the value of y is 8, that is here, right? So this minus 2, you plot them by using a dotted lines. Is it okay? Yes, so this is our points. Alright, let me mark this point as A, and this point A is x is minus 2, y is 8. Is it okay? Is it clearly visible? Right? Yes, so next one is x is minus 1 and y is 7. X minus 1, y 7 is here, correct? So let's join them with a dotted line again. Is it okay? Yes, so from minus 1, let's join them with a dotted line. So this will be our point. I'm taking this point as point B, which is x minus 1, y 7. Is it okay? Yes. So now for the next one, x is 0. Okay, let me take this point as 0. Alright, the point of origin. So x is 0, y is minus 1.25. So for minus 1.25, placing a scale on it, alright, you point the value, you mark the value between 1.2 and 1.3. that is the middle value. Is it okay? The middle value, that is, this point lies between the centimeter of 1.2 and 1.3, because it is 1.25. so take it between the unit of 1.2 centimeter and 1.3 centimeter. So you mark this point. Alright, I hope this is visible, correct? So this I'm taking as x is 0, y is minus 1.25. Is it okay? Since it is negative, we are plotting it downside. Now next is when x is 1, y is 3, correct? So y3 is here, correct? So let's connect them with a dotted line. Is it okay? And this is 1, correct? So this is the point where x is 1 and y is 3, correct? And then okay, we plot this point AB. So this will be point C, this will be point D. Alright, and then the last one, when x is 3, y is minus 1. So 3 is here and minus 1 is here. So let's join them with a dotted line again. Let's mark them. So from 1, alright, we are getting this. Is it okay? So this point is how much? Point C, D, point E, where x is 3 and y is minus 1. Is it okay? Yes, I hope this is clear to all of you, right? Anyone with any confusion, you can text me up in WhatsApp, okay? I can help you out. I can explain it to you again. Is it okay? Yes.